We are CanSec Wireless, Beijing JiaAn Electronics Technology, a Taiwan-invested manufactory. Started from the car security system, we built our expertise in radio frequency since established in 1994. We specialize in wireless high-frequency hardware and software in-house design and manufacturing, ODM and OEM. Our certification includes TELEC, ROS, CCE, and CE. Our manufactory set foot in the south of Beijing City. Equipment includes SMT lines, reflow soldering machine in 16 temperature zones, wave soldering production line, along with advanced automatic optical testing equipment to maintain the production and welding quality. Since 2008, we have been dedicating into the IoT and smart home industry. From the commercial consumer grade to the industrial grade, our product line includes modules such as RF ISM, Wi-Fi, BLE, Zigbee, and application like iBeacon, wearable devices, medical equipment, smart home and industry automation. We are the third-party partner of Texas Instruments and the supplier of Aero Electronics, along with over 25 years of experience in the RF industry. We developed a team with deep technical background, high performance and quick respond timing to cooperate with our clients globally. About 70% of our clients are overseas, and 80% of our clients are returning customers. All our products require layers and layers of inspections, testing, and quality control procedures before shipping, offering our client trustworthy and long-lasting partnership.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.